welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the July based Lumi box. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. So super briefly before we jump into what's in the box, I just wanted to mention that going forward I will be doing 2 videos versus 1 video. So I will do a video for the base box and a video for the premium box. Just makes it a bit easier for myself, and also it's not super long for you guys as well. So keep an eye out for the premium video. It will come like a day or 2 after the base video is uploaded. Also, if you want to try Lumibox out, I do have a code. It is PureLottie10 and it will get you 10% off your very first box with Lumibox. It is an affiliate code, so if you do use my code, I really do appreciate it. I will earn a small amount of commission. If you don't, that's completely fine. And to everybody that has used my code in the last month, I do truly appreciate it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so jumping into the base box. The base box is $49.99 Australian dollars. It comes in this pretty pink packaging, and super quickly, it is Lumi Boxes' very first birthday. So I thought I would get all dressed up in pink to celebrate Lumi Boxes' first birthday. I have some super cute pictures going up on my Instagram, so keep an eye out for those. But yeah, let's see what I've got in this month's box. Now I paid $49.95 for it, and I did get 5 full-size products. So let's jump in to the first product. So the first product in the base box is from Bling Pop, and it is a bubble charcoal mask. So it's for pore perfecting and minimalizing. So it looks like this. Super cute. We've had a few things from Bling Pop now already, and they have been really good. So what I might do is I might pop this in a future giveaway, just to give one of you guys a chance to try it as well. So that retails for $4.50, and you can pick it up from phoenixnational.com.au. So the next product is the choice product for this month, and it is from Chella, and it is an eyeliner pen, and this retails for $30 and is available from Chella.com. So it looks like this. Now we could choose between brown and black. I chose a brown pen because I have so many black ones already, so I really don't need another black one. Okay, so I've just taken the plastic off of it. So this is what it looks like. It's just a basic pen, and let's open it up. It is a felt tip pen, so let's give it a quick swatch. Ooh, that's really nice and brown actually. You can get super fine lines as well. Let's just turn the light down a tad just so you can see it. So that looks like a really nice pen, so I'm excited to give this a try. As I said, I chose the brown color because I do have so many black pens already, so I thought it would give a brown a shot because I don't have many brown eyeliners. So I've just used the Chella Brown liner. So this is what it looks like. So the brush was a little bit harder to control than what I'm used to. So my eyeliner is a little bit thicker and more dramatic than what I would normally do it like. But I'm really liking it so far. The one downside is it does take a little bit to dry down. I apologize if you can hear the gardeners outside there across the road doing some people's houses. I really like the brown liner. I just wish it dried down a little bit quicker, but that's okay. I just know for next time not to look up before finishing my eyeliner and letting it actually dry and set down. But otherwise, yeah, I found it pretty easy. I just need to get used to the brush so then my liner isn't as thick. It can definitely do a thinner liner. It was more about like my control over it. It has now been 4 hours since I applied the liquid eyeliner, so let's zoom you right in. So this is what it is looking like. Now the only thing I can say negative about it is I do have a little bit of like bleeding right in the corners there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Just there. But I'm pretty happy with it overall. It has almost been 8 hours now, so I have zoomed you in. I'm going to zoom you in a bit more actually, I think that's all the way. So this is what the eyeliner is looking like now. So if you can tell, there's a little bit of bleeding in the corners and a little bit wearing away there as well. For 8 hours, I think that's pretty good. I also did go like this and it's taken a little bit off the edge there. But for 8 hours, again, that is really good. So I'm very impressed with this. So the next product is from Model Rock and it is a liquid last matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Spanish Rose. From the top it looks pretty nice. So this is the packaging. So this one retails for 25 Australian dollars and is available from modelrocklashes.com. So this is what it looks like inside the packaging. And I think it looks like a really pretty colour. I haven't actually tried Model Rock liquid lipstick, so I'm interested to try this one. So let's give it a quick swatch. And let's turn down the camera a bit again so you can see it. Focus there. That is a really pretty colour. I do really like that colour. So I'm interested to try this out and see how it goes. It is like a browny sort of colour, so I don't have many that leans a bit brown, so that's exciting. So I have just tried the matte liquid lipstick from Model Rock. So this is what it looks like. I'll zoom you in. So it is all dried down now. As most matte liquid lipsticks do, it shows all your lines and texture on your lips. So I only reach for matte liquid lipsticks when I've got like an event and I need it to last a long time, and I normally prep my lips like really nice. Like I'll wear my lip sleeping mask for like a week prior to using a liquid lipstick, just so that I don't have so many little lines or dry patches on my lips. But it is a really pretty colour. It doesn't feel heavy, it is lightweight. It's definitely matte. I'll zoom you back out. And it goes with this look really nice, like it's a nice like neutral look. So very happy with it. It has now been 4 hours since I applied the Model Rock liquid lipstick. This is what it's looking like right now. So as you can see, in the center it is wearing away a small amount, and in the corners there it is wearing away. Obviously that will happen with drinking and eating, just general talking. So that is where you would normally have to touch up anyway. So I'm not too mad about that. The colour has stayed put really nicely. I'm really happy with it. It has now almost been 8 hours of me wearing this liquid lipstick. Now, I can't wait to get it off because it is so drying. If I was wearing this out for an event, I would be okay with that because I would have prepped for it, but I didn't prep for it and my lips were already dry because it's winter. So it has just, you can see that, it has enhanced all my little lines, all the dryness in my lips. But otherwise the colour stayed on really well. You can now see there is slight bleeding, so definitely pair this with a lip liner. It will also clean it up so then it doesn't look all funny. I did eat lunch. I've had a few drinks and everything. Drinks, I mean coffee. And you can tell where it has worn off there and on the bottom lip mainly. But for 8 hours, this is a pretty good result, so I'm really happy with this. So the fourth product that I got in the base box is from Physicians Formula, and this looks super exciting. The packaging of this is absolutely stunning. See if I can get it to focus on camera. Right, turn the lights down again. Yeah. How cute is this packaging? So I'll leave the lights down just for a few seconds. It says it's an all-in-one custom nude palette for face and eyes. So let's open it up because it just looks so adorable. So this is the packaging. How cute is this? It's got like a little ribbon and everything on it, and then it magnetic closure. And then on the other side, you have 2 little brushes and a mirror, which I think is, again, super cute. So one of the brushes is just like a little spongy top one, and the other one is more for like cheeks. So it shows on this as well how to actually use it. So it tells you how to use each row and where to use it. So that's really cute. I just love this like lace sort of look with the ribbon. And then opening it up, this is what it looks like inside. And this, it looks super cute. I think it'd be really good for travel as well. So I'm excited to try that one out. So this one retails for $30 Australian and it is available from physiciansformula.com. So I am just trying out this Physicians Formula Natural Nude little palette. So what I've done is I've actually followed the steps in the back for the nude eyes. So I used the row 1 for my brow bone to highlight it. I used row 2 as the base on my lid. The row 3 to contour, so I just popped that in like the crease. And row 4 I did as an eyeliner. Now I did use row 2 dry, and then I showed you the difference with wetting it. You definitely got more of a payoff when it was wet, so I would highly recommend that. And I also got more payoff with my finger versus a brush, which is really good because, you know, this will be like a really good little palette to take on the go, seeing as it is so versatile. So that's one less brush you have to pack because you can just use your finger. Row 4 for the eyeliner, I found it wasn't giving much of a payoff, so I went just into the very darkest colour and it worked so much better. I was just doing that to try it out though. So I've just finished doing my blush, bronzer and highlighter with the Physicians Formula palette. Again, I just followed the steps in the back. So it was row 3 and 4 for bronzer, row 2 as blush, and row 1 for the highlighter. So this is what it looks like. I think it is really pretty. Again, it is very subtle, so it is a really nice like natural look. It isn't like overpowering. I think I prefer my blush a little bit brighter, but I definitely love it for the bronzer and the highlighter. I'm just used to using like a darker like pink or peach color on my cheeks for the blush, but yeah, it went on really nice. It blended out really nicely as well. So quick check-in, it has been 4 hours or just over 4 hours since I applied the Physicians Formula eyeshadow, bronzer, blush and highlighter. This is what it is currently looking like. I think it is still looking really nice. It hasn't really budged. I've got like no creasing at all. I did use a primer on my eyes, but that's what I would do normally if I was using a different palette anyway. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it is looking. So last check-in, I just want to mention the eyeshadow still hasn't creased or anything, so I'm absolutely in love with that. The blush, the bronzer, everything is still all in place. It looks perfect. So I really love this product, and I think this is going to be a good little travel palette for me, because then I can just take this one thing and make heaps more room in my bag instead of bringing separate things. So yeah, very happy with this. Now, lucky last is this massive Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm super excited about this. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. So this one retails for 59 Australian dollars and is available from au.morphe.com. So let's open it up. Wow, this is really pretty. Really pretty. So this is the color story. And what I'm actually going to do is, I normally won't give away palettes that I get in my Lumi boxes, but I have a lot of these colors already. I do have the plastic piece on here at the moment. I have a lot of these colors already, so I think I'm going to pop this in a giveaway for one of you guys, so you guys can recreate some of my looks that I create. I have been looking at this palette and I've been wanting it, but when I actually look at it in person, I have all of these colors in other palettes, so I really don't need it, and I need to be a bit more brutal with what I'm keeping and what I'm not, because I have so much products. So I hope one of you guys will enjoy this. For the July base Lumi box, it came to $148.50. Again, I only paid $49.95, so I am super happy with the amount of products I got, and I cannot wait to start trying these. So I hope you were as excited as I was with this box. Don't forget, if you would like to try Lumibox, I do have a code Lottie10. I will leave it on the screen and down below in the description. This will get you 10% off your very first box. It is an affiliate code, so I do make a small amount of commission. If you do use it, I do really appreciate it. If you don't, that is completely fine. I appreciate you stopping over and checking out my video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and choose that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!